Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Samri, and as you guys all know, I do Taekwondo. So today's vlog is actually going to be a little bit different. In yesterday's vlog, I told you guys that I was flying out to California because I'm going to be a speaker at this big conference. So it's going to be really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started the vlog. Guys, I just landed in LA. It's freezing here. There's our plane. Alright guys, I just got the car that I'll be driving. Quick thing, I've never driven in California before. I'm not the best driver. We're gonna see how this goes. Good luck to me! So I made it over to the hotel all safely. Oh my god, you guys, this is legit! I'm so excited to be here! This is literally on my balcony. My room's in there, chairs are out here. Check out that runway. That's the runway we're gonna be walking on tomorrow. So let's see you guys all tomorrow. Have a good night, guys. Somehow, I am running late. It's the first day and they sent us like 5 emails reminding us to be on time, and I'm late. This is the bus for our Universo trip. I'm so excited! Alright guys, we just got here. They've given us all a little piece of paper with someone's name from anywhere around here. My job is to find this person's name and then find the person who has my name so that we know when our hair, massage, and makeup appointments are. Yeah, we're being spoiled today. I'm looking for a Judith. Judith. I'm right here. Found Judith. Where's my person? Moras. Okay, so we have a makeup and hair appointment all set. We're gonna be looking good. Guys, look what that is. I never get to see this in Utah. This is Allie, and she's gonna be doing my makeup today. I told her I don't usually like wearing a lot of makeup, and I told her to just have fun with it, so let's see how this turns out. We're exhausted. Check out everybody just chilling on the bed. This is what happens at a social media conference. Nobody talks to each other, we're just on our phones. So I'm walking back to my room, and this is how responsible I am. I don't remember what room number I am. So I'm literally gonna have to take my key card and try all the rooms until I figure out what the heck my room number is. I mean, it could have been like maybe the 2nd floor, maybe the 3rd floor, who knows? I just walked into my room and I found these little boxes from Nescafe.
Oh really? Are you gonna use them? If not, can you bring them?
I'm vlogging you, by the way. Jared just asked. They're so cute. Oh, there's a little Nescafe with confetti and the Nescafe mugs. Oh, my mom's gonna love it. Neutrogena is actually hosting this red carpet like welcome party. I'm so excited. The only part I'm not excited is like the whole dressing up thing, because number 1, it's freezing outside, so I know it's gonna be cold no matter what I wear. And number 2, dressing up takes work, guys. You gotta do the hair, the makeup, I don't know, it all just takes a really long time. It's hard being a girl. Okay, this is what Donovan did today. He dressed me, put me in heels, and did my makeup.
I only had 5 minutes.
Thank you, Donovan. I'm literally freezing. Alright, well, I don't know. What would you guys do? Would you guys head down there and do all the fun? Look at this, look at this. We got fake eyelashes on. I bet you guys never see me with makeup on because I don't usually like to wear makeup. This is how I am now dressed for the red carpet. Guys, I have no shame when it comes to the cold. I can take a kick to the body, a kick to the face. That's all easy. What I can't take is freezing just for wearing a dress. Just not me. All right, guys, we're gonna try and be brave and try and make it down. I don't even know what I'm wearing. I have a vest, sweater thingy, dress, leggings, shoes. What am I doing? Oh my god, it's gonna be so cold. Look at that fire. That looks like a warm fire. Alright you guys, I am now back in my hotel room. As you can see in my nice comfy sweats, this is how I love life. Thanks so much for watching my video. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you guys all tomorrow with not this much makeup on. Good night.